Hey there! So, in my last video, you saw me landing in beautiful Barbados after a crazy 24-hour turnaround from Cabo at sea next. But let's rewind a bit. After getting home from Cabo, I had just 24 hours in LA to check on the framing progress at one of my projects before jetting off to the Caribbean for a couple of days for an install. Now here we are, fresh off the plane from Mexico and diving back into my walkthroughs. Let's get into it.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do.
that's a wrap on my time in Barbados. From beachside vibes to design details, thanks for coming along. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more behind the scenes adventures. Until next time, keep it cool and keep it inspirational.